In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade plan on YouTube TV. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to confirm the change so you can start enjoying the channels and features you want without any confusion. First, open YouTube TV on your preferred device. You can launch the mobile app or go to tv.youtube.com in a web browser on your computer. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date so all menu options appear as expected. Next, sign in using your Google account. It's important to use the same Google account that's tied to your existing YouTube TV subscription, or you won't see your current plan or correct billing details. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check which one is active before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and select your profile icon. This might be your photo or your first initial. From the profile menu, open Settings. This is where all the core controls for your subscription live, and it's the fastest way to manage your plan without digging through multiple screens. Inside Settings, choose Membership. Here you'll see your current plan, any add-ons you already have, and your next billing date. This page gives you a clear overview before you make changes. Now select Manage Plan. This opens the list of upgrade options available to you. You can choose a new plan, such as a package focused on sports or entertainment, if that's offered to you. You can also add extras known as add-ons, like 4K Plus for higher resolution streaming where available, or premium channels that require a separate monthly fee. Take a moment to review the details for anything you select. Pricing, trial periods, and build start dates are typically shown on the confirmation screen. When you're ready, confirm the upgrade by selecting the button you see. This may say Add, Upgrade, or Purchase. Approve any prompts to finalize the change. That's it. Your new plan or add-ons will become active either immediately or at your next billing cycle, depending on the option you chose and what YouTube TV displays during checkout. Add-ons often start right away, while some plan changes may roll over with your next bill. If you don't see new channels right away, give it a moment or refresh the app or browser. You can always return to Settings and then Membership to verify your active plan and manage changes in the same place later. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded YouTube TV experience.